friends, welcome to Sharmishta's Passion. As we knew that India gained independence on 15th August 1947. Apart from this, Republic Day is another national holiday celebrated in India in every year on 26th January. India will be celebrating 72nd Republic Day in 2021. Why is Republic Day celebrated? The story behind Republic Day has been explained in this video. Watch this video till the end to know the interesting facts of Republic Day. Republic Day of India is celebrated on 26th January to mark the day when the Constitution of India came into effect. The Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949, which came into effect on 26th January 1950. This completed India's transition towards becoming an independent republic with a democratic government system, replacing the Government of India Act 1935. 26th January was chosen to mark the Republic Day, as it was on this day that the Indian National Congress proclaimed the Declaration of Indian Independence in 1929. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day celebrates the coming into force of its constitution. While India became independent on 15th August 1947, it still did not have a permanent constitution, and Indian laws were based on a modified version of the British established Government of India Act 1935. However, 2 weeks later, on 29th August 1947, drafting committee was appointed for the drafting of a permanent Indian constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as a chairman. After a lot of hard work, the constitution was finally drafted, and 26th January was chosen as the day to declare India as the sovereign republic. Though the constitution came into force in 1950 with a democratic government system. The draft of the constitution was submitted to the Indian Constituent Assembly on 4th November 1947. Finally, on 24th January 1950, the members of Constituent Assembly signed 2 handwritten copies of the constitution, one in English, one in Hindi. 2 days later, on 26th January 1950, the history was made. On the same day, Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first president of Indian Union. Indian Constitution is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. The Constituent Assembly became the Parliament of India under the transitional provisions of the new constitution. Since 26th January 1950, Republic Day has been celebrated in India in every year. The Republic Day parade, first held in 1950, has been a yearly ritual. The parade marches from the Rashtrapati Bhavan along the Rajpath in New Delhi. Several regiments of the Army, Navy and Air Force along with their bands march to India Gate. The parade is presided by the President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces. As he unfurls the tricolour, the national anthem is played. Prestigious awards like Kirti Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Paramveer Chakra and Veer Chakra are given out by the President. 9 to 12 different regiments of Indian Army in addition to Navy and Air Force march towards India Gate along with their bands. Paramilitary forces and other civil forces also participate in this parade. So, these are some interesting facts about Republic Day. Lastly, I want to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. If you found it helpful, please do like this video, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.